Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to transfer Instagram account to another phone. Now this is quite easy thing to do. All you need to do is to log out of the current device, and then you can go ahead and make sure you remember the login details and install the Instagram application on the other phone and go ahead and log in from there. Now, how do you log out from this current phone? Just click on the three bars on the top right corner. Then you can scroll all the way down to see the logout option. Once you do that, you can go ahead and install Instagram on your other phone. After that, you can obviously put in your username, put in the password, and once that is done, you can click on login. And that is it. You have now successfully transferred your Instagram account from one account to another. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.